Follow this tutorial and learn how to make this process graphic yourself. In a few steps, you will be able to create this design not available in the built-in PowerPoint templates and shapes. First, go to Shapes and insert a pentagon arrow. Pull it over the entire length of the slide. Adjust the height to 3 centimeters. Choose a color and remove the outline. Then center the shape on the slide and adjust the length if needed. Insert a second pentagon arrow and resize it. 2.5 centimeters for height and 7 centimeters for length. Again, remove the outline and align with your first arrow. For the next shape, choose a chevron arrow. Also resize it to 2.5 centimeters for height and 7 centimeters for length. Remove the outline as well and align. Now insert a hollow circle shape. For the final graphic to be seamless, give it the exact height and width shown in the upper right corner of the screen. Then remove the outline. Place the circle over your smaller arrow and adjust the width of the circle band by moving the yellow dot, which appears when clicking on the shape. Adjust the positioning of the circle to ensure a seamless transition between both shapes. Then add in a rectangle shape and give it the exact same value in width as the circle. Remove the outline and give it a different color than your other shapes. Then place it right at the top of your arrow and make sure everything is well aligned. Now select the circle and the rectangle shapes. Go to Shape Format and to Merge Shapes. In the drop-down, click on Fragment. Then delete the lower parts of the circle and the remnants of the rectangle. Make sure that you get all the fragments. Then fill the upper part of the circle with the same color as your small arrows. The leftover center shape should be filled with the same color as the big background arrow. Duplicate the 2 new shapes and place them above the second small arrow. Make sure everything is well aligned. Then group each arrow with its arc shape to make sure the graphics move as a unit. Copy the chevron arrow and paste 3 more times. Make sure the front and the back arrow are in the exact spots you would like them to be. Then select all 5 arrows and go to Arrange. In the drop-down, select Distribute horizontally. This way you achieve an even spacing. Let's move on to the text. Click on the inside of the arc and add the number 1. Then adjust the writing size, writing style, and the text color to your liking with the upper toolbar. Go to Shape Format and add a shadow to your text. Now repeat this for the remaining arrows. And there, you have the final graphic. If you would like more depth, you can select all the items on the slide and add a shadow. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.